Hello everyone, well I've got a bonus video for you because I wanted to tell you about a special offer on the Henry Reach. Now I think this could be exclusive to Argos because I haven't really seen it in any other retailers apart from eBay, and they tend to be used or opened boxed stock. So I think the Henry Reach is an exclusive model to Argos stores in the UK. The reason I'm making this video, I've just bought one because it's on offer, so I thought I'd tell you in case you're in the market for a Henry. You can now get this with 20% off for £119.99. Normal price is £149.99. There's another offer if you go for the Henry Pro kit. If you buy it together with the Henry Reach, you'll get this for half price. This retails on its own for £59.99, but you can save £30 if you buy them together. Now, this is one I already had. Unfortunately, when I tried to buy the Henry Reach with the Pro kit, it wasn't available, so it depends if it's available in your area. But at the time I bought this, I couldn't get another Pro kit, but I've already got one. So why I'm going to show you this, it's a regular Henry or a compact Henry, but it's got a few additional tools with it. So coupled with the Pro kit, I think here you have the ultimate Henry package. So this is the new packaging that Numatic have rolled out for their domestic vacuum cleaners, highlighting the fact that Henry is made in the United Kingdom since 1969. So Henry next year will be 50 years old. Well, Henry won't be, but the Numatic company will be. So let's open up this box. I think they're a little bit in a hurry to get out of the factory when this box was sealed up. Not very good, but never mind. As long as Henry inside is okay. I'm going to have to get my fingers under there. That's it. Now there's another offer with this, and it's worth doing. Henry's come with a standard 2-year guarantee. These are very reliable vacuums anyway. You shouldn't really need to use the guarantee, but you can extend the warranty for another 3 years, well, for an extra year. So it's 3 years in total. So you get 2 years as standard, but if you go online to the myhenry.co.uk website, you can add an additional 1-year guarantee. So you have a 3-year guarantee with this Henry, but as I said, you're unlikely to need it. Here's the instruction book. I don't think it'll be any different. No surprises there. Just the regular instructions we've come to know. There's a few additional instructions because of the additional tools we get with this cleaner. Now this is the first new tool for the Reach model, and very nice quality it is too. This is a long, flexible crevice tool. It's got a bit of flex in it. It's not that flexible, but it's okay for getting down the back of your radiators, down the side of your sofa. Ideal for in the car as well, all the nooks and crannies in the car. So that's the first additional feature that you get as standard with the Henry Reach. We might still have a quick look at the EU energy label. So Henry Reach, this is model HRR16011. It gets an A rating for energy use. It uses on average 27.9 kilowatt hours per annum. It gets a C rating for dust emissions. It gets a D rating for dust pickup from carpet, a C rating for dust pickup from a hard floor, and it's 72 decibels. I won't open this now. This is just a standard small toolkit you get with every domestic Henry. Dusting brush, crevice tool, an upholstery nozzle with a slide-on brush attachment, plus a little adapter so you can attach all of the tools directly to the end of the hose if you want to. Here's the main carpet and floor nozzle. Plastic base plate, litter pickers, and you've got a foot-operated pedal to lower a brush at the front and a flexible squeegee at the back. Now this is the first additional, so the second additional attachment you get. This is an extension hose. Now I've got an old video, I think it was of a Hetty, an older version of Hetty I bought from Argos, and that came with an extension hose as standard, and I think that was exclusive to Argos, and this looks like it's exactly the same hose that you got. Now unfortunately at the time of making this video, Numatic don't supply this as a spare. It would be nice if they could add this to the spares list on the My Henry website, because if you've got a standard Henry, one of the bugbears, and it has been commented on, one of my viewers, Glyn, asked about stair cleaning. It said it's a shame they haven't solved the stair cleaning problem. Well, they have with this extension hose. So this hose, coupled with the hose supplied with the cleaner, should reach up a standard flight of stairs, and I'll be testing that before the end of the video just to make sure it does. But anyway, you can contact Numatic and see if you can buy this as a part for your existing Henry, because it is a very useful tool, not only for the stairs but also when you're cleaning your car, if you've got a caravan, and anywhere where you want a little bit of extra reach, this hose is really good. So that's that. Now, this is also an additional extension wand. You get 2 as standard, but with a Henry reach, you get 3. So there's the one, and it's just the same as all the others, but now you get 3 in the box. So that enables you to reach up high as well. So if you've got high ceilings with cobwebs in the corner, you can now reach a bit further with the additional extension wand. So that's what you get extra with Henry reach. You get the extension wand, you get the extra long crevice tool, and the most important thing in my view is the extension hose. And at the moment, because it's on offer, it's well worth going for the reach as opposed to the regular Henry because of the extra tools. Of course, you get the curved handle with suction control. You can use it either way. You can connect the hose to either end depending on your height and the height of the item you're cleaning. And then the standard hose, nice long hose, but still not long enough to get up the stairs. Of course, not without the extension hose. Conical, so it's wider at the cleaner end than it is at the handle end to increase airflow. You get another adapter in the box as well. That's so you can connect, and I'll show you it now. That's so you can connect the extension hose. So here's the regular hose. So to attach the extension, you'd push in the little adapter, and then the extension hose fits in. So push and twist, so that shouldn't come apart unless you really tug on it. And then to the end of the extension hose, you can either attach the handle or of course the other small adapter and attach any of the small tools directly to that. So that's how the extension hose fits on. I only get one spare bag nowadays, but it's a very large bag, the Numatic HEPA bag. There'll be one fitted to the cleaner. Well worth buying the genuine bags, as I always say. They're very easy to buy, easy to get hold of, and very reasonable as well, and they do last a long time. So here he is. So as I said, this is based on a Henry 160 design, so it's the more compact body shape, which I personally prefer. A little bit lighter, a little bit easier to handle around your home, and instead of saying Henry, it just says Henry Reach. But apart from that, it'll be the same as the other Henrys. You've just got single speed motor, a mains on light. This one, the wattage is 620 watts. Of course, we've got the storage for the cable inside Henry's hat, and I think it's a 10-meter cable, so nice long cable to reach all around the home, and it just winds up manually as long as you haven't tangled it up. Underneath Henry's hat, we've got a couple of clips there to remove the motor unit. Motor's housed under there, and under the motor we've got this large filter. It's not washable, but you can brush it clean, or if you've got another vacuum cleaner to hand from time to time, you can use the other vacuum to clean any dust off this, but the HEPA flow bags are quite good at retaining dust. And here's the fitted bag, just pushes on to the black tube here, and when the bag is full you remove it from the machine. You can close the tab over and dispose of all the dirt in the bin without even seeing it, and then you can just pop on a new bag. Just goes with the writing this way up. Just push it on firmly onto the black bag support tube until it's tightly in position. Make sure the bag isn't sticking over the sides. Pop the filter back and pop the motor unit back on top. And just line it up like that. And on the back we've got the parking slot for your large floor tool, which fits on there, and you've got space to fit additional tools. You can fit up to 4 tools if you double stack them. So you can, it is possible to fit the extension piece, the little adapter, the upholstery nozzle, the dusting brush and the crevice tool. They will all fit onto the back, or you can just choose to just put 2 on the back. So there he is. I'm just going to quickly show you the Pro Kit if you're interested in buying that, because Henrys are very good, but if you've got pets I find you really do benefit from the turbo nozzles, and the Pro Kit comes with 2 turbo nozzles plus a dedicated hard floor nozzle. So I'll quickly show you these. Now this is a newer style of aero brush, but it'll work much the same way. It's got holes now at the front, the previous one didn't. That's to allow air to flow through it, to stop it slowing down when it's on a carpet, because this operates on the airflow of the vacuum. You've got access, I'll show you how it works by opening up this little access hatch here, and you can see these turbines here that will rotate when Henry's turned on. The suction moves these, and that of course turns the rotating brush via a little toothed belt. Because it has the fan here, it is important not to pick up hard or sharp objects because they could damage the blades of the fan. So be aware of that. But for picking up pet hair, it does work far better. So I certainly would recommend, if you've no pets and you've got more hard floor than carpet, standard Henry will be fine. But for pet hair pickup, I think the aero brush is well worth getting. You can buy this separately on its own for $29.99 for My Henry, but at the moment, I say if you buy it with a Henry from Argos, you basically get the other 2 tools free, because the whole set will cost you about £30 when bought with the other Henry cleaner. So that's the aero brush, the big one, and the small one is the aero brush 140. And that's a much smaller size. That's ideal for cleaning your stairs, your upholstery, your pet bedding, and inside the car. Still works on the same principle of a fan inside with suction, actually makes it rotate. You can open this one up as well. And you can see just in there the little black fan and the toothed belt. Just about see there as I turn it, the toothed belt drives the brushes. So that's again very good for your smaller areas, but of course for your big areas, for your carpets, you're better off with the big nozzle. And the additional tool that you get in the Pro Kit is this dedicated hard floor nozzle. Obviously the supplied nozzle, the one you get with Henry Reach, will do hard floors. If you've got lots of hard floors though, if you've got laminate, parquet, tiled floors, stone floors, you've got an additional brush head which you might find better for those floors than the combination head. Here's Henry Reach with his hose attached. We'll just have a listen to the motor and judge the suction power at the hose end. Excellent suction power considering Henry Reach only has a 620 watt motor. Well, I hope you can hear me. I'm stood at the bottom of my stairs with the regular hose fitted, so we'll just see how far we can get up before we need to fit the extension hose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So easily 7. At a push, I can just about clean 8 steps of my staircase. So I'm just going to attach the extension wand and see if I'll be able to clean the other stairs. Okay, so I'm just going to take the handle off and insert the extension hose into the main hose, and then insert the handle into the end of the extension hose. So we were just about up to 8. I have to go back down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 7 was easiest to clean, but I could just about clean 8 stairs. So now 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is a half landing just off camera shot. My 13th step is actually my landing, but if it was a standard straight stair, I certainly will be able to clean up a standard flight of 13 steps when using Henry Reach's extension hose. Well, that's about the end of my unboxing and first look at the Henry Reach vacuum cleaner. Grab one now if you're interested, because the 20% saving does make it very good value for money at just under £120. Of course, if you add the Pro Kit, you'll have all the tools you need to clean your home. I can't see there's any other tool that's required. Everything is provided for your stairs, your car, your upholstery, your carpets, your floors. Every nook and cranny should be reached easily with the Henry Reach. If you have any comments or questions about this cleaner or any of the Numatic videos I have on my channel, please comment below. You can check out my Numatic playlist. You'll see many other cleaners, including regular Henry, James, Hetty, Charles, George, Henry Wash, all sorts of different Henry cleaners, including the brand new Henry Allergy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.